Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. This is the Kiara Advani's makeup look from the song Chandigarh Mein. The moment I saw this song, I absolutely loved her look. It's so appropriate for this season. You guys wanted a party look, so here it is. You can wear this look on weddings, Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve. It's so party appropriate. I had so much fun recreating this look. I absolutely love it. Also, the products will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Before moving on with the video, I wanted to tell you that recently I've been using this Dermavive cleanser and I absolutely love it. This is soap free and it does not dry out my skin after I use this. So this is meant for sensitive skin and it also soothes my skin. After that, I apply this Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I have been using this currently and I have been loving it. Recently, my skin has been a little towards the dry side, so this has been doing a good job in soothing my skin. So just sharing what I've been using recently and what I've been loving recently. So now let's get started. I'm going to start off with this Pro.Prep primer. It actually blurs out my pores really nicely. Now I'm going to go ahead with this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation and apply it on my face. This sponge I'm using is a new sponge. This is from Plume and I'm using it for the very first time today. It looks super cute. It looks like ice cream. This sponge is extremely soft and it blended my foundation really well. I'm super happy with the blending of the foundation. I love this foundation. This foundation is very dewy. Next, I'm going to go ahead with this Pro Conceal HD Concealer. So you guys know that this is my favorite concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It is doing such a good job. Wow, I'm really happy. I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm going to brighten my under eye area a little bit. Taking this Pro.Powder, I'm going to set my under eye area. I'm going to use the sponge it comes with and just layer the powder under my eyes. I'm going to let it sit there for 30 seconds or so and I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer, shade number 4, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Taking this La Cara F001 brush, I'm just going to dust off the extra powder. I love how bright my under eye area looks and it looks much more lifted. Also, the giveaway ends this Friday, which is the 13th. So all the best for the giveaway. And I will be announcing the winner's name very soon. Most probably maybe on Saturday, Sunday, or maybe in the next video. I will announce it in my Instagram, on my YouTube. I will announce it everywhere. I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. This has got such beautiful shades. I absolutely love this palette. So taking the E006 blending brush from La Cara, I'm going to apply this shade in my crease area. The moment I saw this song and the moment I saw Kiara Advani's look in the song, I instantly fell in love. And so many of you guys wanted me to do a party makeup, wanted me to go for more colorful looks, so I thought, what better than this look? Okay, I realized that I forgot to wear my lenses, so I'm back with my lenses right now. This one is from Fresh Look and it's in the shade Pure Hazel. I absolutely love this. So, where were we? Yeah, doing the eyes. So, I'll just keep it till here. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the purple right now. I'm gonna take this purple shade and apply it in the crease of my eyes. And I'm going to use the same brush. I don't know why the purple is not picking up. Okay, it's kind of coming together. But the pigmentation of the purple is much more if you apply it with your fingers than with a brush. But since I have to apply it on my crease, I prefer the brush. I think this is good enough. I have to blend the edges of the eyeshadow. I gotta make the edge a little rounded rather than so pointy. Already feeling it. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. Please don't mind the outside of this. This is very, very well loved and I absolutely love this palette. I'm going to take this shade and apply it all over my eyelids. I just dipped my finger in this eyeshadow palette just once and look at the pigment. That's why I love this eyeshadow palette. Doing this to the other eye as well. And I'm also going to take it and apply it on my brow bone area, inner corners of my eyes as well. Now taking this Maybelline gel pencil in the shade Polished Amethyst, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Taking this E008 La Cara brush, I'm going to smudge the lower lash line. And taking the same purple shade from Huda Beauty, I'm just going to apply on top of that. Taking the blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything. I just want the lower lash line to be like blown out, like to be really, really smoky. So I'm just bringing it down a little bit. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Palladio Lash Obsessed Mascara. So I'm back after applying false lashes and these are the Benefit Prima Donna lashes. Taking the Stay Quirky I Love You Too Kajal, I'm just going to tight line my upper lash line. For my bronzer, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I'm going to use this La Cara F003 brush. And I'm going to blend it with the big fat brush. This is the F001 brush from La Cara. And a little bit on my temples and my jawline. For the blush, I'm going to use this Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush Palette. And I'm going to take this F002 La Cara brush. I'm going to mix all the pink shades together and apply it on my cheeks. I just took a little bit, but the pigment is amazing in this Sivanna blush palette. So I'm just toning it down a little bit by using this plume sponge. Okay, so the blush is done. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to use the same Makeup Revolution Contour Sculpt Kit. It's the time to glow. I love this highlighter. This is my latest favorite highlighter. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this one. This is by Sugar. This is in the shade Better Call Salmon. This is my current favorite. I absolutely love this one. So on top of that, I'm going to add this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Blushing Ambition. I really love the combination of these two lipsticks. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and I will close the giveaway this Friday, the 13th. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're following my Instagram account, Sush Dazzles, and you're following La Cara World's Instagram account as well. There's nothing about winning or losing. It's just the spirit that you're participating and stuff. So please don't feel sad if you're not the one. We are a big family right now. Please help me reach 80k, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.